What's up, good guys and girls? Back out here at another farmer market. This time we're out here in Cordera. See, rocking a new shirt. Got Brandy out here helping me today. Let's walk into the farmer's market, see what we got, see if we can't get us an interview or two. This was a little bit smaller. However, it is the 4th of July, so everybody's celebrating Independence Day. Just like with anything with farmers markets, you gotta keep trying, go to different ones. That way you get your message out there, you get your product out there. You're able to see, and people are able to see, get to be known in the community. And that's the best part, is getting known in the community. You get some orders, custom orders, you have different people. So let's take a walk down through here and see the different booths and see if we can't stick our head in. You want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
I'm Louise, and then me and my boyfriend owns this cafe bakery. I'm the chef and I like the babe. And then this is all vegan. We have gluten-free options as well.
Awesome. Beautiful products, beautiful pastries. It's nice to meet you.
The egg roll made of pork and vegetable. Come and visit us every Sunday.
Look at that beautiful, scrumptious food.
Yes, it's yummy, homemade.
Best egg rolls.
It is the best.
You can see the people here are really friendly. A lot of nice products, cutlery, little soaps. We have little different vendors here, there. There's our booth set up there. Lovely Brandy dealing with a customer. Let's go over and say hello to some produce and some dips.
Hi! We sell some dips that you can use as multiple items. You can do it as at our rubs, and you can do it as tacos, and you come out on Sundays. We're here for your farmers market and try it all. Thanks so much.
What's up, guys? How's it going? My name is Michael Monty from Scottsdale, Arizona. My company is Juice Box Drinks, and we do all natural drinks, no sugar added, and make great mixes as well. Guaranteed probably one of the best drinks you ever try in your life. Check us out on Instagram, Juice Box Drinks, and on Facebook as well. You'll see us on the Juice Box Drinks and Salads. You guys take care. Come try us out here at the Farmers Market.